Hello my kitchen lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making my favorite soup, egusi pepper soup or melon pepper soup. Like, I fall in love with the soup over and over and over again. So first I'm going to toast my melon seed in my pan, and then I'll transfer to my blender and blend till it's very smooth. Now I'll add my onion puree to my egusi powder and then mix with my wooden spoon to combine. I've always done this with my egusi, and trust me, it's really nice and good. So I'll just boil my protein. I'll transfer that to the pot, add my onion puree, my pepper mix. This pepper mix has garlic and ginger. Then I'll add thyme and seasoning cube. Then lastly salt. I'll cover this and allow it to steam for some minutes. Then I'm just going to use my wooden spoon to mix together to combine. Then I'll add water and let the protein cook. Now I'll be adding my stockfish, pepper soup spice, crayfish powder, smoked mackerel fish. Then I'll also be adding our locust beans, also known as iru. So I'll just give that a quick stir and then cover this to simmer. Then at this point I'll be adding my egusi. Then I'll just add some water and then cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. Now I'm just going to use my spoon to mix that together to properly combine. Then I added more crayfish powder. So at this point you can taste to adjust your seasoning. So I just added seasoning cube and then salt. So I'll mix that together to combine again and cover to cook. At this point I'll be adding some chopped pepper and then Bitterleaf. Okay, so just because I couldn't get scentleaf, I had to make use of Bitterleaf and it works fine. So I'll just give that a quick stir and cover it again to simmer for some minutes. And now our egusi soup is ready. Egusi pepper soup for the win. And one thing I love the most about egusi pepper soup is that I get to eat it without any guilt. Melon seed has high source of protein, plus this recipe has nothing to do with oil. So just cook and enjoy. Bye. Thank you for watching.